In this Photoshop lesson, we will use a technique to make the eyes a little bit brighter. Step number one, open up an image. Once your image is open, go ahead and zoom in on the eyes. Next, click on Filter, Sharpen, and Unsharp Mask. Set the amount to about 120 and the radius to 1.0. Click OK. Then go back to Filter and notice that it has remembered your settings, or you can use the shortcut key Control F to redo it. So let's do it again, and then let's do it another time, a total of 3 times applying that same unsharp mask. So our picture looks a little bit weird right now. Contrast between these pixels has been greatly enhanced. Let's come up and open our history window. And we can see we've opened the image and then applied unsharp mask 3 times. Let's click on the open state, which will bring us back to our original image. But then what we want to do is scroll back down to that last unsharp mask state right here and click in this history state window. Sets the source for using the history brush. Now you don't see anything change, and you won't see anything change until we actually use the history brush. Let's come over and find that history brush. Now notice that it looks like a brush, but it has this arrow going counterclockwise, showing that we're going to go back in time. So we need to click that. We need to change our settings to a soft brush, and then we'll make the size of the brush about the size of our iris here. And I'm going to click 1 time, and you can see a little bit of change right there. Kind of brightened it up. Put little sparklies in there. Right there. So what we've done is that we've applied all of those unsharp mask settings to just the eyes to make them just look a little bit brighter. And that's it. Give it a save. Save it under a different name. For example, I would take this one and name it Save As. Probably keep the same name there with Caitlin with the Mustang, and just put Eyes Bright. And then of course save that over into your folder on the student drive, and we can take a look at it. I'll zoom back out. And there we go. Eyes are just a little bit brighter. And that's how you brighten the eyes using the Unsharp Mask filter and the History Brush tool. Practice that several times.